To be able to achieve this beautiful short natural hair ponytail, stay tuned to the end of this video. If this is your first time stopping by this channel, I say you're welcome because I am happy you are here, as this is one of the channels that you will love to be. Do not forget to press the subscribe button so that you'll be up to date when I upload new videos. And if you find this video educating, you find this interesting, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, as this is also an encouragement and it will help other people to discover this video in time. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back to see my video. I appreciate you all. Now let's get into this simple, quick to do hairstyle that will take little or less of your time. My name is Oluwatosin. Now let's get into the styling. You want to make sure your hair is properly moisturized, because here my hair is properly moisturized, although it is not stretched, but it is moisturized. So you want to make sure that you avoid excessive breakage by all means. I'm going in with my soft brush. You want to make use of a very soft brush that will not give your scalp or your hairline any tension or damage. I'll leave you while you watch the video. I'll come back at the end of the video and to talk about the little health tip that we have for this video. to our health tip for this video. Exercise is what I'll be talking about. Exercise is very good for proper functioning of the body system. You want to do at least 10 minutes each day and see your body improve. This is the end of this video and this hairstyling. I hope you enjoy it and you'll be trying it out soon. Thank you and God bless you.